back to my channel. It's your girl Karima. If you're new here, hi, what's up? If you're returning, what it do? I'm trying to keep it classy. Let me keep it classy. Hi guys. Yes, so as you guys seen in the title, this is going to be a Coach unboxing, and this is going to be from Coach Outlets. Let's get right into it. You know what I'm saying? So I got 2 bags. No, this is not from the pink collection. This is just what I wanted. So we got a small size bag, and then we got this big bag. So I'm gonna just pull them out in no particular order. And then, oh, that's heavy. I also went to Charlotte Russe, and I grabbed a couple things from there. So I might just add that in there. If you hear crying, my daughter is supposed to be taking a nap. She doesn't like nap time, but it's nap time. It's currently 1:13. She did not nap all morning, so she needs to go to bed. Okay, so I'm just pulling out. So I believe this is the matching wristlet. Yes, this is the matching wristlet to the bag that I got. So here is the wristlet. This is in the, it's supposed to, yeah, dark stone. Yeah, so it looks like that. You already know what the wristlets look like. Like that. And this was originally $110, and they had them on sale for $35. So I was like, I need that. Y'all see why. Then next up, I got a red denim card holder. I don't own a red wallet, wristlet, anything. Because this, I'm manifesting to buy the matching Faye bag. Faye, F-A-Y-A, Faye bag. So yeah, this is her. She is very cute. I wish it was gold because I'm not a silver girly, but yeah. All right, so that was what was in a small bag. Let's go ahead and pull out from the big bag. Okay, so I seen this bag on TikTok, on someone's TikTok a couple months ago. I fell in love with the bag. I tried searching it up. I couldn't find it. I don't know if they were like sold out or something, whatever. I don't know. Long story short, I seen this bag and I was like, you're coming home with me. So let's unbox. I'm not very aesthetically pleasing, guys. I'm sorry. So this is her. She is the Rowan in dark stone. Like that. So she is very cute. She's kind of like that pebbled leather. This was originally $398. I got it for, I believe, $175. She is a crossbody. She is a crossbody. Comes with the straps. And she is very big inside. Yeah. My daughter's crying. Is overstimulating me. I apologize. Not really. But whatever. But yeah, I didn't want too big. I didn't want, you know, like, I wanted something I could put on my elbow and keep it cute. I also wanted it to be like dainty. I can just hold it like this, and then on the mom days, which is every day, use the crossbody. So yeah, all in total, I got 2 receipts because I was impulsive and I made the decision to buy the denim. So the denim was on sale for $49. After tax, it came out to $52.06. And then the bag was $175, and the zip wallet was $35. After tax, it was $37. My battery's dying. Hold on. Alright guys, so we left off with the overall look of the Rowan in dark stone. This is the small. So that's from Coach. I can't wait to use that bag. Like, I can't wait. All right, so let's put her over there because we're gonna pack her. In this big bag, I grabbed a lot of things. First off, I grabbed these linen blue striped loungewear pants, but I'm not gonna wear them for loungewear. I'm going to wear them for spring and for the summer. You know, with like a white tank top, some white sandals. And this was $10, and I got a size large. I'm just gonna throw that right there. I grabbed this tube top with bows on it. This was only $7. It's not focusing. Whatever. Tube top. I haven't worn a tube top in a long time, but I plan on wearing these with some like high-waisted D-bag jeans that I have. Yeah. I grabbed a tank. This is a pink and white striped tank top with lace trim. This was $8, and it has like the built-in bra, so you kind of don't have to wear a bra with it. Yeah, cute. I grabbed another tank top. This one's kind of different. This one is like the asymmetrical, or like, I don't know. This was $8 as well. You can dress this up, dress this down. I thought this was so cute. I show you guys girls everything. So I grabbed this bralette and kind of boxer shorts set, and this was $15, and it says Barbie on it with bows and, you know, just relaxing stuff. Then the shorts, I believe, were 3 for something, I believe. So I grabbed these little shorts, and they're not white, they're kind of like beige. They got pockets in them. You know, spring is coming, you gotta get it together. You gotta wear your outfits. I grabbed a gray pair. These I grabbed in a large just to be more comfortable. The beige ones, I grabbed them in a medium. And then the last pair of shorts are these cutesy little floral bow thing. It is called the micro short. Yeah. And this was $8, but it was like 3 for $15, I think. I seen this shirt and I thought it was so cute. I couldn't pass it up. It's just the Hello Kitty little not tank top, just a t-shirt. It's kind of short, but it's cute. This was $10. Very cute. She's all shy. I'm not shy at all. I'm not. Then I grabbed this little hoodie that has Hello Kitty and I think cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon roll. It says Hello Kitty and Friends, and I believe this was $16.99. Yeah, cute, and it has Hello Kitty in the back. And then lastly, there's the receipt. Lastly, I am so excited. I can't wait to try this on. I did not try it on. Yes, I know. Impulse buying. Hope it fits. So this is a white lacy kind of summery dress, flowy. So this is the top, and then it's very long and flowy. This was $14.99. I grabbed it in a large because the medium looked too small. Like, I am, you know, my bestest, and yeah, you know what I'm saying. But I can't wait to wear this. Like, I really can't. With like a nice crop jean jacket that I have and some nice Tory Burch sandals. It's not what you buy, it's how you wear it. Okay, thank you. Like, I go to Savers, I go to Goodwill, I shop everywhere, which way and forth. It's how you wear it. If you can't style your clothes, I'm sorry, honey, you're gonna have to get it together. Let's get it together now. Come on, it's 2026. Anyways, my total for that came up to $105.97. Yeah, that's it. I'm not spending no more money. If you catch me making another video on a haul, No, don't cuss me out because I'll cuss you out right back. Anyways, that was my little haul. I'm gonna go ahead and pack my bag. I'm gonna go ahead and check on my daughter because she still have not fell asleep yet. So yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Kisses, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.